Hi guys, welcome to the 4-2 notes. We are actually going to be breaking these down into two parts, today focusing on vertex form, and if you notice I've hidden the EQ from you, I will reveal it a little later. The vertex form for today is very similar to what we saw in the past for graphing absolute values, and it is y equals a x minus h squared plus k. These things should look a little familiar, h and k, and they are going to tell us very similar things as they did before, specifically about the vertex. So if you recall, h and k told us the vertex of our absolute values. A again is kind of like the slope, but not exactly a one-to-one type thing. It will tell us up or down and narrow and such. So it's 1/2. H, again, is the x-coordinate of your vertex. Okay, now careful. Just like before, if h is actually positive in the equation, okay, that means it was negative. Okay, so our h right now, it says +1, but something needs to go off in your mind, recalling it's -1. Okay, if it's in parentheses, it's the opposite of the sign. So h, the key thing with that is it's opposite. -2, okay, that stays the same. K is going to be the -2. So our vertex is h and k, or red and blue, which is really -1 and -2. So right off the bat, vertex form, what's nice about it, it gives you the vertex just by looking at it. So we're going to go -1 to 2. Okay, there's your vertex, -1, -2. After that point, it's very similar to graphing before. You can definitely use your graphing calculator or find a table by hand. So I do know some numbers. Again, you want to pick values from the left and right of your vertex. So if you pick x equals 1, you get the value 0. And sorry, if you pick x equals -3, you also get the value 0. That's also evident in your table from your calculator, but your vertex needs to lie in between those 2 points. So x equals -1 and y equals -2. That's your vertex. And again, you want to pick points above and below. When all said and done, whichever way you choose, you should have, again, a nice symmetric point. The main concept for today is that you're remembering h and k in vertex form, okay? And connect your points. So I will run through another practice problem of this, since I do want to focus on h and k. So again, real quick though, your essential question, I'll give that to you. Your essential question is, how do you find the vertex of a quadratic function from vertex form? Okay, how do you find the vertex of a quadratic function from vertex form? And hey, I am actually going to let you go here. If you want to watch the extra notes, I will go through the practice. Okay, so first step is identify H and K. Okay, H is -3 and K is 4. So right off the bat, H and K tells you your vertex, which is actually 3 and 4. So again, it's opposite of what you normally think. Alright, that means we're over 3 and up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. So we plotted our vertex. 3, we are going to find some other values in the table. The values I choose, so I go to my table and my calculator, X and Y, and they tell me 1, 0. I have 3, 4. Again, my vertex is in the middle. And 5, 0 are two good ones. Okay, 1, 0, 5, 0, vertex, and connect all of that. Easy peasy. Okay, so that wasn't even all that long. Good stuff, guys.